Hello, Sir Chad. This is our reporting in Central Visayas, Region 7. So, the Central Visayas is an administrative region in the Philippines, merely designated as Region 7, with only two provinces, Cebu and Bohol, as well as three highly urbanized cities, Cebu City, Lapu-Lapu, and Mandaue. It has fewest member of provinces out of any region in the country. Despite this, it is the most populous region in the Visayas, with a population of 6,545,603. So the Central Visayas includes the island of Cebu, Siquijor, and Bohol, and the eastern half of Negros. The regional center is Cebu. Its provinces are Bohol, Cebu, Negros Oriental, and Siquijor. So here are the dialects. Cebuano is the dominant language of the region. Boholano is the dialects variant of Cebu spoken in Bohol. In the Camotes Islands, which is part of Cebu, Cebuano language is spoken in the towns of Tudela, Pilar, and San Francisco, except the town of Puru, in which Puruhanon is spoken, a variant or mixture of Cebuano and Hiligaynon, which means Ilonggo, and the Masbateño language with 87% Cebuano vocabulary. Tagalog, English, and Spanish are also spoken in this region. So this is the first city, Cebu. It is first and the oldest city in the Philippines, having founded in April 1565. It's not clear where the name actually came from. The cultural and commercial core of the Central Visayan region, Cebu was open to foreign trade in 1860. It was chartered as a city in 1936. Although it imports few foreign goods, it is the main collection center for such inter-island commodities as copra, abaca, sugar, timber, and fish. Cebu is a major point of fast passenger traffic by air and sea and is served by an international airport across the harbor of Mactan Island. The second is Bohol, created by virtue of Act 2711 of March 10, 1917. This island province of Bohol is the 10th largest island in the Philippines. This oval-shaped island has an area of 4,117 square meter per kilometer and is located in the central portion of the Visayas, lying between Cebu to the northwest and Leyte to the northeast. To its south is the biggest island of Mindanao, which is separated from Bohol by the wide Mindanao Sea. Aside from the mainland, Bohol has 61 smaller offshore island and islets. Bohol is about 700 kilometers directly south of Manila and is about 70 kilometers southwest of Cebu City. Third one is Negros Oriental. Negros Oriental faces Cebu to the east across the Tanyan Strait and Siquijor to the southeast. The primary spoken language is Cebuano and the predominant religious domination is Roman Catholicism. Dumaguete is the capital, seat of government, and the most populous city in of the province. According to the 2020 census, it had a population of 1,432,990 people, making it the second most populous province in the region after Negros Occidental, the fifth most populous province in the Visayas, and the 19th most populous province of the Philippines. So the last one is Siquijor. Located in the Central Visayas region, Siquijor is the third smallest province in the Philippines. Legend tells of a King Quixote as the source of the island's name. Old residents also called the island Katugasan from the Malave tugas trees that cover the hill. Another version also tells of a priest who came to the island by sailing, and when he went back to Bohol, he was asked by the people at the beach where he had been, and the answer of Sikor, which means to follow the waves, and was misheard by them as Sikihor. That's all, sir. Thank you.